Oh yeah, I'm winning.
And off we go. Oh.
It's filled up, the park is filled up. I'm at Volcano Bay with no one except for my father-in-law, Tato. Basically, the reason why no one else is with me is because they made us, and when I say they, Universal, made us drive all the way here from Disney World just to get a refund on our park tickets because the lines have been hours and hours and hours and hours, like 3 hours wait to go down a slide. So I asked for a refund. They said yes, but I have to drive to the park. What? So look at this. It's only 12 o'clock in the day and it already says it's filled up. Volcano Bay's whack.
Well, it doesn't look whack, but the customer service is whacked.
So I don't know what they're gonna do. They're gonna give us a refund or something. This just ruining my vacation. It's not funny, SpongeBob, it's not funny.
We tricked you. No water slides today.
Excuse me! Excuse me! Excuse me! Excuse me! I don't think anybody knows what they're doing at Universal.
Right with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not on a family trip or nothing. I ain't got 4 kids waiting for daddy to have some fun with them or nothing.
Shrek, are we there yet? No, Donkey. There's still a long line to get in.
Oh, but I can see the rides from here.
Oh, for the love of Farquaad, I dropped my wallet.
All this for a refund. We're in 2017. You can refund people on the phone.
Hello?
Is this Universal Studios?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this Universal Studios?
No, this is Patrick. Hello? 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 Hello?
I'm waiting for a parking pass.
2 minutes later. So, you're asking for a park pass?
Yes.
Sir, this is a garage. There are no trees and grass here. The closest park is 10 minutes away.
No.
Just take a left out of here, pass the stoplight, make a U-turn, park your car, and walk 2 blocks.
No, not that kind of park pass.
Oh, you want a Universal Studios theme park ticket?
No, a parking pass.
Oh, why didn't you just say so? I have a whole notepad filled with parking passes right here.
Oh, brother.
Oh, there's a fly. Oh, this fly is driving me nuts. To my ear. Uh-oh, now to my head. Get out of my head! Oh, that's better. Oh, hi, sir. Welcome to Universal Parking. How can I help you?
Yeah. I was waiting for a parking pass. You were just gonna give me one?
Sir, this is a garage. The nearest park is 10 minutes from here. What you have to do
Are
is...
you kidding me?
4 hours later.
All right, got a parking pass. They basically said they don't allow parking here anymore because everybody's upstairs trying to get a refund because the water park is the worst in the world. This is how I like to spend my family trips. Taking an hour and a half to get a refund. Look, that's me. I'm going to get a refund. Woo!
Oh no, somebody's asking for a refund. I gotta put a stop to this.
So I gotta wait in this strange, unorganized line to get a refund.
I want you over there, and you stand right there, and sir, you stand behind me, and I'm in charge. Okay, you stand over there, and then you'll be right there. Okay, good. Now we have a good single file line now. Thank you.
All these people trying to get their water park ticket money back. Look, even the fans don't know how to act at Universal. Everything breaks down at Universal.
17 lifetimes later.
It's now 1:45. We left the hotel at 12. That's an hour and 45 minutes. I got an $800 refund and 7 park passes to come sometime in the future. Listen, I'm so upset with you, Universal. Disney rocks. Everybody like this at Disney. Yes, I'll be happy to help you. At Universal, they're like, what you want me to do? Huh? You want a free ticket? So anyway, I had to pull some teeth to get some tickets.
No, SpongeBob! No free tickets!
And even then, the guy next to me was like, I got tickets, I got food, drink, and an express pass. Then when I asked, they were like, no. I'm like, oh, I don't like Universal. Everybody say what's up? Yeah! This kid know me right here. So many fans here, it's crazy. Y'all are all awesome, thank you. So now we all done, and we are going back. Yeah, I think I just ran over a cone at Universal. I ran over a cone? Oh my goodness! What we talking about? Where that cone at? Oh my goodness, the cone is on the floor. That's what you get, Universal. Ruining my vacation, I got your cone. Give me this. I'm taking this cone too. This is my cone. Let's go. Let's go. That cone is right there in my seat and it's coming home with me. Take that, Universal. Sorry, I had to ditch you guys. I had to go to a Universal prison sentence for a couple hours. We're going to heaven because I died in Universal prison, so we're going to Disney heaven now. Can I get a woohoo for Blizzard Beach? Woo! Yeah! So we came to play golf instead like last time. Psych, we're just kidding. We didn't know this, but the golf is right next to Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach. Beach.
We're at Blizzard Beach.
Here it is, Blizzard Beach. We are going on our first ride at Blizzard Beach. Look at this, it's like a ski lift. Checking out the observation deck. Oh gosh, that guy's going. Oh gosh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God, he's dead. It's real. No, it's warm, plastic. Expedition Everest, Pandora. Snowing in the summer. Yeah. Michael, what'd you bring on the ride with you? His iPod. Everyone say goodbye to Mike's iPod. I'm just kidding. I'll put it in my hat. Oh man, quick. I got Mike's iPod in my hat. Oh man, we are going down that.
And I'm back.
Lexi's backwards. Uh-oh. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh. Hold on, Michael, hold on. Whoa. So they have a lazy river here that takes 1 hour to get through. Dude, your iPod's safe. It's still up here. Oh no, it's about to get wet. The evil drips. Ah! I'm gonna use my GoPro as a shield. Yes, ma'am. I'm very good at hopping. I used to be a bunny. Come on, bunny. Oh. No swimming. Whoa, look at the Mickey tube. Chase and Mike are gonna try the little lily pads. We'll meet them on that side. Do not enter the water if you have diarrhea.
Okay, I'm going on. That was fun.
Mike is standing, Chase is doing the crawl method. Go, Chase, go! Good try, Mike. Don't fall, go! Oh! It's too far, I'll help you. Go! It's coming back to me. Okay, I'm pushing it back. Go! Yeah, you got it! High five!
Horseshoe five.
I still have Mike's iPad in my head. Hey, Mark, get set, go. Go. Hey, you get back here. You get back here. No. She beat me. Now I'm gonna beat you up. You guys gonna do zip lining? think Chase is nervous.
Go Chase! Go Chase! Go Chase!
You got it. Hold on. You got it. You got it. Let go. Nice. Dude, awesome. Right here.
So Nona, Sean, and I are in the little baby area. Right, Sean? Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. What do you see? Where do you want to go?
We're going flat.
Kick the water. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya. Ooh. Get the water. Kick the water. Off you go. Girlfriend. Oh no, that guy. Getting really bored. We're just gonna
happy? He's happy. Who's that guy? Bad guy? That's a bad guy throwing snowballs.
This slide is so bad. I'm taking a shower and the water's coming down. I'm taking a shower and the water's coming down.
The lazy river goes all the way around the park. Next up, we're gonna try 9 and 10. Whoa, Macy. Oh yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm all finished. I'm finished. Did I win? Oh yeah, I won.
I was last.
You were last? That's all right. Well, somebody just went on that closed water slide.
That was crazy.
I know, it was crazy.
Well, that's it. That was our last ride. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
That was fun. We did a bunch in 2.5 hours. The longest wait was like, which one? That, the zip line.
Yeah.
What was it called?
The Fahrenheit something.
Fahrenheit drop?
Yeah.
There wasn't even that many people in line, but the operator was just like, didn't know what he was doing.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Birthday.
Sean, what's this called? Dip dip. All right, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. You didn't even dip it. Too late, it's too late, it's too late. Here, let's flip it. Yeah, and then do this side. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh! Oh, snap. Here, you eat, I'll clean it. So we meet so many fans here, and out of all the fans we meet, we always tell them, put up your peace signs when we take a picture, and Sean's even learning. Ready, Sean? Put up your peace signs.
Peace sign.
Peace sign, do peace sign. Yeah. He does this, but it's close. It's almost like a peace sign. So when you see us, peace signs up.
Daddy! Daddy! Where are you?
Guys, I'm right here. I'm recording.
Oh yeah.
Come on, stop playing. We gotta go. All the ice is melting. Whenever the ice melts, that's when they're closing. He's trying to shoot me. You little. That's it. That's how I'm gonna kick you. Moon. Oh, we're moonwalking. That's dope. Look, they're so sad. They're crying because their baby boy's growing up. Oh, little cute little button boy. Look at you. He's this much taller since the last time I got here. Don't touch it. That's a napkin. I whip my whip back and forth. I whip my whip. Where did you get that from? Oh snap! Well, this way's out. Did you see what that bus said? It says Universal stinks.
That's correct. Disney's much better.
That's mine.
Oh wait, you got two cups.
That's mine. That's mine.
Why'd they give you one?
That's mine. Hey, that's supposed to be mine. Me and Lexi were sharing. I gotta quickly drink this and switch with them. You wanna switch? I got a brain freeze. Haha, that one has less.
No! Do it again, do it again.
No. Sean, say hi.
Who is that? They got you? Hello? Hello?
Bonjour, monsieur.
Oh, that's cool. Please do it. Turn around. Ew, it's sticky on your forehead. Ew, fidget head. Oh, Universal upset the Disney gods. Look how dark the sky is. It's about to pour. I see Chase. Oh, Mommy, you're ruining the picture. Can you back up a little bit? Thanks. Oh, now it looks good. Oh my goodness. Oh no, danger, danger. Sean, put it back, put it back. Sean, hey, ooh, he's trying to steal it. Sean, come on, put it back. Bad guy. Ew. I should get mad. Sean, clean it out right now. Whoa.
Sean, I'm looking for Sean. Is Sean in here?
Where's Sean?
Here, where's Sean? I'm coming.
He's so doofy.
Where's Sean? I found you.
Whoa. What is that? You hear it? What's up? Sean's breaking his neck because the screen is so straight up. That's an appetizer right there.
like?
Oh God. Oh wow. Oh look.
Come on, Harvey.
Hey, that's mine. That's my straw. Did I not do that? I'm sorry. Next up on the itinerary is Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Yeah, we're checking it out for the first time in the next video. Here's a little sneak peek. Introducing the table that you eat on that turns into a bed.
Flipping beds at floating.
Aw, that's cute. That's so totes adorbies. Are you hugging Chase's butt cheeks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I am, Dad. How did you know? What? He farted?
Yeah.
Casey, you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Dada.
Dada. Dada.
Goofy?
Dada.
Dada's Goofy? Oh, you love Mickey.